Welcome back on my channel. My dear students, in my previous video, I think you all have watched, I have discussed about the reformation of examination system as per the recommendation of Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about some important topics that the Commission recommended to reform the total education system of our country. In their recommendation, Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission, they felt that in the prevalent education system of our country, there are some weakness in every schools. In the schools of one locality, the teachers of science groups are very well. The quality of their teachings are very good. But the arts department in that school are not so well. In other locality, the arts department of a schools are so well reformed, but their science groups and social science groups are not so good. So this kind of problems were prevalent in that time, also in present condition. To rescue our education system from this grave situation, the Commission failed to build a school complex. Only Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission first coined the term in the history of Indian education. School complex. What is school complex? School complex is a unit in which the schools of a locality will work unitedly. The district education authority will be in contact with the school unit, will in the school complex, and in this school complex, the students from different schools will go and come and use all the infrastructural facilities that will not available in their schools. As a result, the students will get encouraged in their studies. Next topic of recommendation of Kothari Commission is the education for old age. The Commission recommended that if anybody got refused from education in the mainstream and they got aged, they may get opportunity to educate themselves and their education may come effective in our society. For this reason, the Commission recommended to arrange education for all and education for the old aged person equally. So, in my previous videos, I already have mentioned about the education of old age. My dear students, I have made many videos on the Kothari Commission. I think I have discussed more about everything about Kothari Commission. If you have any doubts or any other thing you have wanted to know about Kothari Commission, please comment me on my YouTube channel and also write comment on our college official WhatsApp group. Thank you. My dear students, notes related to the videos have already been given in PDF format in our college WhatsApp group. You can also find the supporting notes in every video's description. If you want more about the video or about the topic, you can also mail me on shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel subhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. That is shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. The mail ID has also given on the video description. Thank you.